I'm back again with another video. So right here I'm here to give you a quick update as regards to OrvexHub. So OrvexHub make an announcement through their Twitter page yesterday as regards to their TGE and also their pre-claiming and binding of wallet. So binding of wallet in the OrvexHub is between now to on the 7th of this month. So please, if you haven't banned yours, please do wait to bind yours. But I'm right here on this video tutorial to walk you step by step on how to bind your wallet to the OrvexHub platform, and also how you can claim your pre-claiming token for for listing before the TGE. So right now, this is what you can do. But if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe and also hit the bell notification to share this video to others. So all you need to do is just for you to click right here. So you click right here, which is this diamond button. So click on it for you to bind your wallet. So you click on it. So let's just wait. So you scroll down, you can see your total balance. You can see airdrop reclaim, so your total balance of your ORVEX, then your token that you will be reclaiming. So this is where you can bind your wallet. You can bind the wallet address with your Solana wallet address. So this is where you can bind it. So if you have a Solana wallet address, to bind it. So if you haven't have a Solana address, all you need to do is just for you to download Phantom wallet or other Solana wallets to paste it right here and bind it. So this is just it. So if you want to claim your token, you're pre-claiming, but I wasn't giving a pre-claiming to claim because I did not meet up with some of the demand and some of the activities on this OrvexHub as regards to how you can claim, as regards to the claiming of the pre token, because different activities was taking place. One, playing of games and also betting and playing of others multiplayer games. So that's were the criteria. So I didn't meet up with them, so I was not given a token to claim for the pre-claiming listing. So all you need to do, you go to your Phantom wallet. So let me go to my Phantom wallet right now. So right now, this is my Phantom wallet. So all you need to do is just want you to go to this upside on the left hand corner. Then you copy the address of the Phantom. So just quickly copy it. You can see I've created an account before within them. So just click right here on the copy, or either click on the account one. So if I click on the account one, then I can copy. So you can see it right now. So all I need to do, I'll click on this QR code, click on it to copy the address. So this is it. So you click on copy. So I've already copied it right now. So I'll head back now to the OrvexHub platform to paste it. So right now I'm on the OrvexHub platform. So all I need to do now, I'll scroll down. So you can see it right now. So I'll click on the wallet section. Then I'll paste it right here. Click on it to paste it right now. So all you need to do is just for you to click on the pre-claiming and accept yes. So after accepting it, so it will just give you a notification box like this showing that you have been approved for the airdrop. So TGE is around the corner. Full airdrop details information soon, and keep any your status still count. So the airdrop is still on, so but the TGE is just by the corner this month. So this is just all about the pre-claiming and also the binding of wallet address. But if you have any issue, you can quickly to leave it on the comment section. I will do well to respond to your comments. So please do well to like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. So thank you. Peace out.